Imagine lying in bed at night, finally drifting off to sleep. And then 20 minutes later, you wake up again. Not because of noise, not because of dreams, but because you have to get up and go to the bathroom. And then it happens again, and again, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times a night. You feel exhausted in the morning, your energy is lower, your patience is shorter, and slowly you start to realize this isn't just about poor sleep. This is your body telling you something. For many men over 50, that something is an enlarged prostate. Let's talk honestly, like 2 friends. Frequent nighttime urination, weak urine stream, the feeling that the bladder doesn't empty fully, or the urge to pee every time you leave the house. These things can quietly take control of a man's life. You stop sleeping deeply, you plan your day around bathrooms, you feel older than you really are, and sometimes you even feel embarrassed to talk about it. But the truth is simple. Prostate enlargement is extremely common after 50, and in many cases, there are practical ways to improve symptoms and regain control over your life. Before we continue, here's an important medical disclaimer. This information is educational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you experience severe pain, blood in urine, fever, sudden urinary retention, or rapid worsening of symptoms, you must see a doctor or urologist immediately. Prostate symptoms can sometimes overlap with infection or serious disease, so proper medical evaluation is essential. Now, what is really happening inside the body? As men age, the prostate can gradually grow due to hormonal and metabolic changes. This condition is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, not cancer, but a benign enlargement that presses against the urethra and bladder. The result is weaker flow, nighttime urination, urgency, and incomplete emptying. Add to that stress, sitting lifestyle, poor circulation, inflammation, and excess body weight, and the symptoms become stronger. But here's the good news. Lifestyle improvements, pelvic support, nutrition, and medical care can make a real difference. Erectile dysfunction. After 50. So, what can help realistically at home and in daily life? One of the most powerful foundations is improving circulation and mobility in the pelvic area. Long hours of sitting increase pelvic congestion and bladder irritation. Gentle daily walking, hip stretching, lower back mobility, and avoiding sitting for endless hours can reduce prostate pressure and improve urination comfort over time. Many men notice fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom once movement becomes part of their routine. Nutrition also plays a meaningful role. Diets rich in vegetables, berries, olive oil, tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, fish, and whole foods help reduce inflammation and support metabolic balance. Research has shown that nutrients like zinc, lycopene, omega-3 fats, and plant polyphenols may support prostate health and urinary comfort. On the other hand, heavy evening meals, alcohol, spicy foods, and excessive caffeine can irritate the bladder and worsen nighttime symptoms. One simple habit that helps many men is finishing the last drink of the day at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Stress is another hidden factor. The nervous system and bladder are closely connected. Anxiety, tension, and chronic worry increase muscular tightness in the pelvic floor and trigger urgency signals. Slow breathing, relaxation before sleep, reducing late-night screen time, and creating a calming bedtime routine can make nighttime urination less frequent. You're not just calming your mind, you're calming your body. Pelvic floor awareness is also important. Gentle relaxation and controlled contractions help stabilize urinary function and support the bladder. Unlike aggressive exercise, the goal here is balance, learning to release unnecessary tension while strengthening supportive muscle tone over time. Many men report improved control and comfort when they practice regularly and patiently. What about natural or folk approaches? Some men find benefit from herbal support, such as saw palmetto, pumpkin seed extract, or nettle root, which have been studied for mild symptom relief in certain cases. Warm baths, evening relaxation rituals, and light physical activity also help reduce pelvic congestion. But remember, supplements must be discussed with a doctor especially if you take medication for blood pressure, heart disease, or diabetes. And when should medical treatment be considered? Modern medicine offers safe and effective options, from mild medications to structured therapy and, when necessary, minimally invasive procedures. A urologist can evaluate prostate size, urinary flow, and overall health to choose the safest approach for your situation. Ignoring symptoms is not strength. Taking responsibility for your health, that is strength. But let's talk about something deeper. Prostate problems don't just affect the body. They affect identity, confidence, mood, and self-image. Waking up multiple times a night, feeling tired, worrying about bathrooms when traveling, it can quietly drain your motivation and joy. But listen carefully. This stage of life is not the end of your energy as a man. It is a signal, a turning point, a moment to take better care of yourself than ever before. Many men who start improving their lifestyle, talking to their doctor, moving more, reducing stress, and respecting their health say the same thing. I didn't just improve my prostate symptoms. I started to feel stronger, clearer, calmer, and more alive. This journey isn't only about urination. It's about reclaiming control over your body and your confidence. So here's a simple 30-day commitment. Move every day, reduce late-night fluids, improve your evening routine, support your nutrition, stay curious about your health, and schedule a prostate checkup if you haven't done one recently. Small, consistent steps create big changes over time. You are not weak, you are not alone, and you are not defined by a medical condition. You are a man in a powerful stage of life, wiser, more experienced, and still capable of strength, vitality, clarity, and dignity. Take care of your body, respect your health, and move forward with confidence, one day at a time.